Hello and welcome back everyone to the final section of this course, that is, let's test our intelligent chatbot. In this section, we are going to take a look at, first we will load the weights and run session. After that, we will convert the questions from strings to integers. Then we will set up the chatbot, and finally we will chat with our chatbot. Load the weights and run session. In this video, we are going to take a look at, first we will load the weights and then we will run the session. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, now I am here in Spider. This is the part 4, that is testing the sec-to-sec model. Now we are going to load the weights and run our session. Let's type checkpoint is equal to double quote dot backslash chatbot weights dot ckpt. Then type session is equal to tf dot interactive session. Then type session dot run, and in parentheses we'll say tf.globalVariablesInitializer. Then create a saver object, type saver is equal to tf.train.saver, and finally we'll use this saver object to restore that. Type saver.restore, and in parentheses we pass session and checkpoint. That's it for this lecture.